This video gives steps to import purchases and sales with inventory voucher. Inventory management is an important component of running a business. Keeping track of purchases and sales is an important component of inventory management, and they must be recorded precisely. Inventory vouchers, which are records used to record inventory transactions in your accounting system, are one way to accomplish this. This blog will go over how to import purchases and sales using inventory vouchers. You must first prepare your data in a manner that can be imported into your accounting system before importing it. This may entail exporting data from another system or preparing data gathered manually. Your data should include information such as the transaction date, the product code, the number of products sold or purchased, and the price. Once your data has been properly prepared, you must produce an inventory voucher. This document will be used to import your data into your accounting system and will serve as a record of your inventory transactions. The transaction date, product code, quantity, and price should all be included in your inventory voucher. You may import your purchases and sales into your accounting system after you have your data and inventory vouchers ready. To do so, click the option to import data and then select the inventory voucher that you produced. The fields in your data must then be mapped to the relevant fields in your accounting system. Once you have mapped the fields, you can import your data. After importing your data, you must examine and reconcile it to confirm that it is correct. To find any differences, compare the imported data to the original data. If there are any inconsistencies, you must examine and rectify them. You may be certain that your inventory records are correct once you have reconciled your data. Get a free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.